Understanding Natural Soil pH, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting environmental science concept: natural soil pH. Understanding this term is not just about science. It's about enriching your English vocabulary and comprehension in real-world contexts. Let's dive in. Before we delve into natural soil pH, let's understand what pH stands for. pH is a scale used to specify how acidic or basic, alkaline, a water-based solution is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Acidic solutions have a pH less than 7, while basic solutions have a pH greater than 7. Soil pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity in soils. It's crucial because it affects the availability of nutrients to plants and the activity of soil microorganisms. Different plants thrive at different pH levels. For example, blueberries prefer acidic soil, while asparagus grows better in alkaline soil. The term natural in natural soil pH refers to the original pH level of soil, without human intervention or alteration. This natural pH depends on several factors, including the types of rock from which the soil was formed, rainfall patterns, and the ecosystem's vegetation. Understanding natural soil pH is important for gardeners, farmers, and environmental scientists. It helps in choosing the right plants for an area, managing soil health, and understanding ecological dynamics. For language learners, it's an excellent example of how English terms can be applied in practical scenarios. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of natural soil pH and its relevance both in science and in learning English. Keep exploring, and don't forget to practice using your new vocabulary in real-life contexts. Until next time,